Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2015 Harley Davidson V-Rod Muscle I want to show you. This bike's been upgraded with a Vance and Hines 2-into-1 header. Got a real nice sound to it. That's a really good performance pipe on this bike. Upgraded hand grips. Matching pegs. Bike does have forward mount foot controls. It's got the matching rider pegs and the matching passenger pegs. Comes with a 1250cc liquid cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. This bike is a midnight pearl and a charcoal pearl two-tone with a little tan trim stripe on there. It really looks nice. 5-spoke aluminum mag rims, inverted forks. Excellent tire on the front. I didn't see any marks on this bike. Let's see if we can find something out here in the sun, but I didn't see anything on it at all. Aluminum swing arm. Got an excellent tire on the back. We'll check the miles and fire it off for you. It's got let's see here, 963 miles. It's got anti-lock brakes too. That's what the little yellow flashing light is there. Got your tack and fuel gauge over here and some indicator lights. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Fires right up. Ran it through our shop and checked it out to make sure everything was in good shape. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.